In this video, I'm going to explain how to provide the access for loan search. I'm searching a loan using admin login on the left screen, and I can see there are multiple tabs here like main details, installment, and other tabs. Now, when you give access to your staff may not see all these tabs because you will have to provide the access to view the tabs to the staff. On the right side, I can explain that how to provide the access. User management, access control list, select the staff, and from access control list or select access or permission. So to give installment tracker, allow to view. So you'll have to search allow to view. Now you can write allow to view installment tracker. So select this, click add. Again, you can say allow to view. Then if you want transaction, so you can say party ledger. Then fees, allow to view fee tab. Okay. Then allow to view party ledger. So party ledger and transactions same, auto debit tab. Then next is role list tab, follow tab, document list tab, configuration tab. Now in configuration, you'll have to give a specific permission whether they can modify it or not. So for that, you can search modify configuration. Pardon me. So similarly, you can keep searching on the access and give the access. So we kept the name meaningful so that no documentation, nothing required. Whatever task you'll have to do, then you simply search here something like, let's say, modify or delete or tab. So you can keep searching here and give the relevant access. And initial stage, you can just check also on login one screen and giving the access on the another screen. Okay. I hope you liked it. In case you have any queries, please write in comment box and we'll provide you more videos. Thank you.